Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete cookies and other site data on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up your browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. Now on the left panel, select Privacy and Security, and then underneath Privacy and Security, you want to select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data is selected here. You may also want to delete browsing history as well, but you can uncheck that. And you can adjust the time range up here in the top dropdown and then select delete data. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.